So what you got going on?
What's today?
Make Noise Monday.
Make
What's
Noise
that?
Monday. We loading up the 50 AE.
Why that bullet so big?
Got to tear up that ass every now.
My man said, "Why the bullet so big?
Why the bullet so big?
It's gonna cause major damage."
Hey, Walbrook, it's a man's gun. You know that, right?
Yeah, buddy.
All right. Show him how the man handled the gun, bro.
I shot one of you.
This your first time? Oh. We popping your. Hey, that's a man's gun.
I'll take that.
Hey, look. Very rarely do I close my eyes when the goddamn gun go off. That some bitch got me twice. All right. Hey, yo, I didn't realize that joint was compensated.
Right
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll take that though.
That joint is compensated as well too. So.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Yeah, that.
Family, y'all. Whenever y'all want to shoot it.
Okay.
Go ahead, run her real. Next time I'm gonna bring mine, and I'm gonna run both of them joints one hand, both times.
Yo, you let me know when.
All right.
You let me know when.
Don't worry about it.
So make me buy one of them bitches. That's anyone. I saw what I'm saying.
Hey, Crip. Yo. What you about to do, bro? Hey, I ain't get that on camera. Don't worry. I'm gonna let that one. It's your first time. I'm gonna let you slide, yo.
Let me slap.
Let you slide. Slap that. There you go. There you go. There you go.
You gonna push that back?
Push what back? Oh.
What's that? Gun.
How you feeling, bro?
Look at that.
Wait,
All stars out today.
Wait, come on, man. You know what day it is today?
Let's do it. 50 BMG. Oh,
Yes, sir.
50 AE.
58, yeah.
There we go.
Make Noise Monday. Hey, look. We popped this cherry. Popped this cherry.
Okay.
That was his first 50. Yeah.
I'm gonna take one.
One? Hell no.
Two.
Two?
They sound like they aspirins. I'm gonna just take one, maybe two.
Hey, you tripping. You tripping like hell, bro. Come on, Dark, load him up. He talking about some damn.
Load him up. I don't
Yeah.
know what he talking about.
Yeah, yo.
So I'm gonna tell you, I spent more money in because of this dude.
Uh-huh. Hey,
He
if
gonna go.
y'all come to Free State, y'all see my man. Let them know that we sent them. That we sent y'all. Trust me.
I'm buying shit.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, these are folks that take care of you.
Thank you, brother.
Man, run that damn thing.
That thing back.
I will try.
That's a man's gun. You already know that.
Oh,
There you go. It does it. It's all right. It do that.
Look, after every shot, he adjusts his grip.
Yeah. 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 Hey, you no longer light skinned after this.
Oh man,
God damn.
it was good shot. All that was good shot.
And I'm the asshole recording everybody's shot. Yeah. I'm the asshole recording everybody's shot. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Hey. I shoot that joint one hand. Yeah.
I'm good.
Not too bad.